Welcome to Carmela's Food One-on-One. It's lovely to see you again. I hope you're well. We're going to talk about this beautiful shrub. It is an annual plant and it seasons once a year in spring with these beautiful purple blue flowers. They're wonderful. It is a herb that is used in the Mediterranean and in Asia. I can't tell you how old it is because it's been around for a long time, because I want to tell you a little story at the end of this. We cook with it lamb, pork, chicken. You can make aromatic oil with this. You can put it in a jar with some virgin olive oil, and it's got to be a dry one though, and you put it in there and you leave it in a closed tap for about 2 weeks. Then you take the herb out of it and you've got this beautiful aromatic oil, and you can cook with that. You can use it in your salads. There's so much you could do. But first of all, the benefits of this beautiful herb. It has vitamin A, C, iron, folate, K, vitamin B. The oil in this is amazing. It is used as an anti-inflammatory. It has vitamin B6, which helps the stress as well. 100 grams of this a day is your recommended daily intake. It's beautiful. I wish that you could smell this, and when you do come across it, please do smell it and please do use it in your Italian cooking. I've got a beautiful little shrub here in my garden that I want you to see. I'm going to tell you a little story. Legend says that the Virgin Mary had a blue coat and she went to lay down on this shrub. And when she got up, the shrub had these beautiful bluish flowers come out of it. Thus the name of the Rose of Mary. It's called Rosemary, the Rose of Mary, and in Italian it's called Rosamarino. I've got a blog on this on my website where you can go and have a look on www.carmelascucina.com.au, and you can have some tips on how to use it and make an oil out of it, the benefits out of it, and the nutrition out of it. And I hope to see you next time when I talk about food one-on-one or in my cooking classes. See you then. Ciao.